In this video, we will walk through library sharing, what it entails, and how it works. First, to share what the library is, it's a place to store and reuse content such as events like tours, hotels, restaurants, destination information, you name it. This is also where you will create and organize your forms, saved messages, and more. When you create something in your library, you can share any item in your library with another Travefy user and vice versa. So I will walk you through how to share an item with someone else and how you can copy items from another Travefy user into your own library. Now, first, to access the library, you're going to click Library at the top of your main dashboard screen when you log in. Now that I'm in my library, I want to show you how to share an item with another user. So you can share any of the items currently in your library. I'm going to share the shore excursion with somebody else. So I have it opened, and now what I want to do is click share in the top right-hand corner. And then I'm going to check this box that says share library template to web. From here, I can just go ahead and copy this link and send it to someone else. When they open this link, they will see this. They will be able to now see what it is that they can save, and they'll have the option at the top to click copy to library. Now, if they don't see this option, it's because they are not logged into their Travefy account. So be sure to be logged in and you'll see the copy to library option. If somebody shares you an item that you can save to your library, it might look something like this. And then you'll see that copy to library at the top. And now I just clicked copied, and now I can click to view it in my library. So you can see now it's been copied and I can make any edits or changes that I wish in my own library. Now, be sure to check out our library sharing gallery at our support center at travefy.com/support. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check out more of our Getting Started videos.